This is my chainsaw bike that I built from an Echo chainsaw, and I just welded a peg on the clutch right here, and then I got a bed frame and tweaked it, and so it'd make it nice and level, and then yeah, and yeah, so it shows it. The still pull starts. Use the chainsaw blade for it. Keep it steady.
Throttle.
And the throttle, I use my it broke right here, so I had to use a bike peg to give me throttle. So
spoke.
So this spoke. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I'll start it up for you and ride it. See how it is.
Okay, we're going. Wrong throttle.